We'll do human eye and colorful world chapter, another chapter of physics. In this chapter we will explain structure of human eye. I have drawn the structure of human eye here. You will draw in your notebooks with labeling, and we will explain the all different structures of human eye with their functions one by one. Human eye its shape is spherical and its diameter from cornea to retina it is 2.3 centimeter. Human eye, as you all know, is very sensitive sense organ. Human eye enable us to see the wonderful world. So, one by one we will be explaining the different structures of human eye. First one is cornea. Cornea is a thin, transparent, bulging out membrane. Bulging out membrane, it is white in color. It is white in color and it is transparent bulging out membrane which we usually see. Function of cornea is maximum light enters into the eye through cornea. Second part is iris. This is iris. Iris. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm. It is having colored pigments also. Its function is it controls the size of pupil and it gives color to the eye. Like some people have green eyes, some have blue eyes. That is because of the colored pigments present in the iris of the eye. Third is pupil. Pupil, look here. Pupil is a hole. It is a black hole. It is a hole located in center of iris of the eye. Function of pupil is it expand in dim light and it contract in bright light. It is black in color because light enters through it and it is absorbed by the tissue present in the eye. Fourth is eye lens. Eye lens, it is biconvex crystalline lens, and function of the eye lens is it focuses the image of any object at retina. Fifth is ciliary muscles. You just see these are ciliary muscles. These are ciliary muscles and they are holding the eye lens in the intact position. Sixth is aqueous humor. Aqueous humor is the clear watery fluid. It is present in between cornea and eye lens. This part it is filled with a watery fluid which is called aqueous humor. The function of this fluid is it gives nourishment to the eye lens and maintain pressure within the eye. Now, another point to be discussed is sclera. Sclera, it is a, look here, look in the picture. It is a outermost covering of the human eye. Outermost covering. It gives white color to the cornea. It is white in color. Sclera, it is white part of the eye. Outermost covering of the human eye. Its function is it protects the eyeball. Whatever structure is present inside the eye, that is protected by sclera muscle. Next is choroid muscle. Sclera muscles succeed with choroid muscle. Second muscle is choroid muscle. It is vascular central layer present in between retina and sclera. Vascular central layer means it contains connective tissues and it provides nourishment to the outer layer of retina. It gives strength to the retina. It has dark pigments and it makes the inside of the eye dark so that clear image is formed on retina. Retina, it is the screen of the eye. It is the third layer, innermost layer of human eye is retina. The function of retina is image is formed on retina and image is formed, it is inverted and real image is formed on retina. That is why it is called screen of the eye, because real and inverted images are taken on the screen. Retina contain light sensitive cells. Two types of light sensitive cells are present, rod cells and cone cells on retina. Rod cells responds to the intensity of light, and cone cells, as they start from C, cone cells responds to the intensity of color. So color judgment is done by cone cells. Those people who are color blind, it means they lack cone cells in retina. Then there is yellow spot. Look yellow spot. Yellow spot is exactly behind the eye lens on retina. Yellow spot, it is also called macula. It is oval in shape and spot near the center of retina. Function is very sharp and clear image is formed at this point, yellow spot on retina. Vitreous humor. So vitreous humor, it is this portion, eye lens and retina, it is covered with a fluid, covered with a clear transparent fluid which is called vitreous humor. Function of vitreous humor is it helps to hold eye its spherical shape, and it also protect retina from damages, from shocks, from damages. It protect retina, and it also help in the formation of image on retina. Now look at blind spot. It is a spot from where optic nerve starts. It does not have rod cells and cone cells. So no image is formed here, and that is why this spot is called blind spot. 13th is optic nerve. Optic nerve, as you all know, it is a sensory nerve, because eye is a sense organ. So it is taking message from eye to the brain through sensory nerve, and this sensory nerve is called optic nerve. Now function of this optic nerve is it takes message from the eye to the brain in the form of electrical signals, and where brain interprets the message. The message taken is in the form of real and inverted image. Brain interprets the message, make the message virtual and erect. That's all. Thank you.